6 techniques in watercolor. In this video, I will show you 6 different ways to use watercolor paint. Hello, it's Mrs. Rowe. Here are your learning targets. I can use 3 or more watercolor techniques in my painting. And I can use watercolor paint appropriately. Using watercolors. They need water to work. If your brush is dry, dip it in the water. If your paint is sticky, use more water. More water equals lighter colors. If you need a new color, wash your brush carefully. Stir it slowly and wipe the drip on the edge of the cup. Don't tap it. Keep your brush on its tiptoes. Be gentle and don't smash your brush. The first technique I'll show you is the Crayon Resist. It's great if it's part of your project, you can start with this. If not, use some crayon or oil pastel before you start. You can paint right on top. If it's not showing up, that means you need to add more water to your paint. You can use this with all sorts of colors, and it makes details show up well. The second technique I'm going to show you is called paper towel texture. Crumple up a paper towel, make sure your paint is wet, and then just dab. This is an easy way to make a fun texture. Now I'm going to show you the salt technique to add some more texture to the sand. First, I'm adding wet paint to my paper, and I have to make sure it's wet to make it work. Next, I'm adding a little bit of salt. A little goes a long way, and actually a little looks better than way too much. After you add your salt, just leave it there and let it dry. When it's all the way dry, it will look cool like this. Next, I'm going to show you the wet on wet technique. This one is my personal favorite, and it's what watercolor paint does best. If you add 2 colors next to each other while they're still wet, they will mix together. You can add colors on top of each other as well, and they will mix and do their own thing as long as both paints are wet. So it's just like it sounds, wet paint on wet paint. Just make sure you wash your brush in between. Wet on dry, on the other hand, doesn't mix. So you can let paint dry and layer it, and it won't mix together. Wet on wet does, which helps with blending. You need to make sure your paint is dry before you try wet on dry. Use any color over any dry paint and it won't blend together. This is great if you are frustrated that your paint is mixing. The 6th technique I'll show you is called dry brush. This is great to use as a wet on dry technique to have color behind it. Just make sure you dry off your brush a little bit. So this time you do want it scratchy, and here I'm trying to make a splashing wave and some texture into my water. And that's it. It's easy to use 3 or more. Have fun.